There's nothing better than a good furniture flip, and today we are going to be talking about the 5 basic steps that you need to know before your first furniture flip. Now, no piece of furniture is exactly the same. Some are solid wood, some are covered in stickers, and some are made of laminated wood. Your first step is always to clean your surface. Remove any hardware, and make any repairs that are needed. Step 2 is sanding, and I always begin with an 80 grit and then move my way up to a 160 grit sandpaper. Some solid wood pieces that have a thick stain may require a heavy sanding, while pieces that are made out of laminated wood might just require a light sanding. Step 3 is either to stain your piece or to paint your piece. There's many different types of stains, including a regular stain, which is thin and drippy, and I use it on larger areas. And then there's a gel stain, which is thick and has no mess, and I use this for details like stenciling. Or you could paint your piece using one of the finishes of chalk, matte, eggshell, satin, semi-gloss, or gloss. Step 4 is stenciling. You can either apply a raised stencil, a painted stencil, or even a stained stencil. It just depends on how you want your piece to look. Step 5 is sealing your piece, and you can either use a cream wax, which I use on matte paint, or a polyurethane, which I use on a piece that's stained. I hope this simplified version of this whole process was helpful, and make sure to check back next Monday to see what tips we have for you. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.